Hello, welcome to Excel Communications video series on ZAC. In this video, we'll go over voicemail within ZAC and hope that this helps you to use your voicemail. You'll see I'm clicked on the voicemail icon. I actually called from my user account, left a couple of messages, hence the little 1 indicator on a recent call that I missed. The inbox had a 1 on it. It would be 3 because I have 3 new messages, but the indicator, once you click on it, it actually takes that notification away. I also had a 1 over here by the voicemail, showing me I had 1 new voicemail when I actually had 3, but each time you click on them, it takes that notification away from the icon. So once you're in voicemail, same thing, you're going to have your inbox, your recordings, your deleted folder like some of the other features, and as well as if you're in a group, you're going to have your voicemail as well as that group you belong to's voicemail with the same tabs, the inbox, the recorded and deleted messages. Once you click on one of the messages, you're able to click the play button. It would start playing on the last device you had it playing on. If you have it playing through the PC, it's going to play there. If you have it playing on the phone, it's going to play there. If you use these 3 dots, you can call a person back that called you. If it was an outside person, that would be the 10-digit caller ID from the person that called. I could reply if it's internal. I could forward the message if I want to forward it, and then type in anybody's name in the 2. If I want to just send it to support, I could put that. I could add a comment, test comment. I could record if I have a mic, a intro saying, "Is a support call guy needs help pretty bad," and then I can mark it as urgent. It would put it at the top of their voicemails with an exclamation point. And I could mark it as private. Marked as private means they can read it, but they can't forward it. Then I would just go ahead and click send and forward that message out. So we're going to go ahead and get rid of this. We're going to get rid of that, and so I'm not going to forward it. Once it's playing, right, I could play via bound if I'm played via bound, and if I was actually bound to a phone, that would play on my phone, and then moving forward, my messages would play on my phone, which is my preference. I could mark it as red. If I mark it as red, it goes black. See, these 2 are still new. They're red. My message waiting indicator on my phone will stay flashing until they're all marked as red. So I'll go ahead and mark them all as red. You'll see they all turn black. No more red unheard messages. While the message is playing, you actually can put a comment for what it's for. Call back on Monday, whatever number that they're leaving, to call them back on, and you hit the return key for that to stay. Then when I need to call them back, I could just come back in here, highlight the number, hit Control F12, and call them back. This saves you from having to go back and listen to the message over and over again. You kind of know what the message that you're leaving yourself, what's the message regarding, so that when you call them back, you know what it is. Just a little helpful too. Once you're in the message, and you could do a save as, which would actually save it to your computer. This would be a message that's important for whatever reason. You need to put it on a mass storage drive somewhere in the network. You can do a save as, save it to this computer, save it to somewhere in the network. When you delete a message, if you say you're going to delete the message, you get a pop-up. You say yes. Those messages would end up in your deleted folder. So we're going to just go ahead in the inbox. We're going to click the delete button, and we're going to select 1. We're going to delete the selected. It's going to prompt you before it deletes it, and then we're going to delete the other one, or we could just click delete all. Once you delete them, they're going to be in your deleted items. Like anything else, you have to, if I check the radio buttons, the delete selected would illuminate. For now, I'm just going to delete all my messages. Just like your email, you should keep your deleted items pretty clean. Okay, so back to the inbox. If I'm in my voicemail, I actually could go in to do my greetings. I could record my name. If I wanted to, I could record the group that I belong to's name. Simply clicking this mic would allow me to record the name. Once it's recorded, I would be able to name it if I wanted to, delete it once it's recorded, or I could upload it if I have it recorded in some other way, shape, or form. I could just upload it. And I get the same thing for my greetings. Every mailbox has 4 greetings. We tell people to number them 1, 2, 3, 4. Standard no answer greeting for 1, vacation greeting for 2, day off or sick day for greeting 3, and just simply having a bad day for 4. It doesn't make a difference what you want these recordings to be. This is totally up to you. Again, no right or wrong here. We just recommend that you record them, so we'll show you later on in some of the other videos how you can send callers to one of these particular greetings depending on what you're doing. Once those are done and they're recorded, you'll be able to actually rename them. There'll be a little edit pen here. Click on a pen, change the name to what we said earlier, standard no answer, vacation, sick day, just not having a good day. So this would allow you to manipulate your mailbox, but you would need a mic to do this through the PC. So you could do that for the group as well. So if you're in a group, remember you can change the greetings, the name of the mailbox through ZAC. Okay, so that kind of gives us